Hello and welcome. Now in this video we are going to track the activity that we have generated either on boards or on cards or in our profile. And if we start with our profile, we can go to click our avatar and then we can click on the profile link. And then if you go to the profile tab, you'll see all of the activity that you have been generating on your profile. And this is regardless of what board you use, and this is regardless of what cards you're using. As you can see here, there is a card from the welcome board as well as a card from Thomas Duncan 1. Now each of the boards also has its own activity tracker. So for example, we can click inside of this board and we can see all of the activity that has occurred inside of go back to Trello. We can go inside of this board and then we can actually look in the menu and then we'll be able to track all of the activity inside of this board. And again, this is going to be specific to the board that we're in. You can notice that there is no activity associated with the welcome board. Now each of the individual cards also has its own activity tracker. So if we go inside of this card and we click show details, we'll be able to see the activity associated with this card. We can then re-hide the details and then we can turn the card over again. So Trello gives you the opportunity to track all of the activity on a particular board, card, and profile. And this can be especially helpful when you have individuals that you are sharing boards and cards with. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.